guys, welcome back. My name is Gaga, and I have today to show you Model Magic Presto Dots, Scented Model Magic. Let's open it and see what's inside. Oh, clay. It's Play-Doh, but it's green clay. And this one's pink clay. And here we have yellow. And here's orange, and here's pink again, and here's brown, and here's blue, and here's white. I think that's white. Purple, and another purple. Oh, let's see what else is inside. Oh, we have little things. Look at that. We can put those together. Oh, look at that. See? There's two of them. An orange one and a purple one. And then you take this in and out. And I think we're going to find out what to do with those later. Okay, let's see what else we have. What's this? Oh, little snails. A yellow one, a purple one, and an orange one. Let's see what else we have. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Let's see what's in here. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, it fell everywhere. Look at, we got a whole bunch of stuff. Oh, look at that. I think we can make flowers with this. Look at that's a pink flower, and this is an orange petal, and these are the stems that we make the flowers with when we open the clay Play-Doh. All those pretty colors, and then we put them all in here on the top when we're done, and then we put the flower on top. See? I think I need two hands for this one. Oh, that one's pretty. So soon you're going to be able to see all these colors of clay. And I will open them for you next time with Gaga. Thank you for joining me, and come back soon.